The SURAIELEC Wi-Fi Pool Timer offers a user-friendly plug-and-play design that simplifies the setup process, making it perfect for above-ground pools and outdoor equipment. With smart Wi-Fi control, you can manage your pool equipment remotely via a mobile app, and it is also compatible with Alexa and Google Voice Assistants for added convenience. Constructed with heavy-duty, UV-resistant material, this pool timer is weatherproof and built to withstand diverse outdoor conditions, ensuring reliable performance throughout the seasons. The device eliminates the need for complex wiring or hiring an electrician, as it can be easily plugged into a standard outlet, providing a hassle-free experience for homeowners. Supporting up to 15 amps, 125 volts, and 1 horsepower, it is designed to efficiently control pool pumps, filters, and salt chlorination systems. This smart pool timer not only ensures efficient and stable operation, but also helps in saving energy and reducing maintenance costs over time.